Does your hair look like this and you feel like you've got no style to it whatsoever? You're a very low maintenance individual and you're like, I gotta do something with my hair. Or you're out somewhere, your hair doesn't look great, and you have to rush to the bathroom and you're like, I gotta do something with my hair. You have a really good haircut. You probably don't even realize that you may have an amazing haircut and you just don't know what to do. And your hair could be very flat, it could be towards your head like this. So how do you quickly restyle your hair, right? You're in a pinch, you don't know what to do. Well, I'm going to share some really amazing tips that I've learned and done over the years that are gonna really help you in a pinch, right? You're in the bathroom, you've got minutes, and you have to, go back out to the crowd or event, whatever you're doing. So here we go. You're looking in the mirror, you're freaking out. Okay, your hair's very, very flat. The first thing you wanna do is do the opposite of flat, which is what? Up, get volume. You wanna lift, okay? You wanna lift all this hair. The best way to get volume and to lift the hair from the scalp from being flat is to use this. What is this right here? It's your hand and your fingers, okay? So by doing this, going into just literally rake and you're running your fingers right along the scalp, okay? Not just up top here, you're not doing little things like this. You're actually going in to the scalp and you're lifting, okay? Look what we just did. Run your fingers through and lift. That is going to get volume, okay? And you gotta feel and stretch out that hair from the scalp. Look what we've done in a matter of like 3 seconds. Look at all the volume I have already. Yes, it does help to have some sort of product in your hair from before. If you don't, this will still kind of help, but you need to have something in your hair for this to really, really work well, and it could be from earlier on in the day, but if there's still product in your hair, there's gonna be hope. Okay, so look, we've got all this volume. So what you wanna do is literally get your hair sticking straight up out of your scalp like this, so it looks like you've been electrocuted and your hair's like all over the place. Now you have all this volume. Guess what? You can go in and you can just use your fingers like this and piece everything and be very, very light with it, and then you can tame it and shape it how you want, okay? But you see now, I've got all that volume, or you can go in like this and you can mess up the style like this by taking your palm and going in and creating little circles, and that's gonna create like a teased kind of look. But you don't have much time, people are calling your name, everyone's asking where you are, okay? Go in, add some texture to it, and there you go. Within seconds now, you have a cool hairstyle, something that's a bit more pliable, more textured. The last thing you want to do is just start pushing down and matting your hair like this. A lot of people I see just go like this and they're back to this again. Lift from the scalp, get your fingers there and lift straight up and get that volume. Run your fingers like this, add some teasing to it, okay? And then look, within seconds, we've got an awesome kind of more textured style. You've got more volume. You're gonna walk out and people are gonna go, oh my gosh, what happened? What happened in the bathroom? Like, what did you do in there, right? So this is really, really an awesome tip that anyone can do. It's really works well if you have obviously thick hair. If your hair is too long, then you can get volume the opposite way, okay? It's not gonna stick up like this, but you can do it right in the front. Lift. The opposite of laying flat is lifting up and getting volume. So go right on the scalp and lift your hair up. Use the palm technique like this and create little circles to add some teasing to support that volume. So please let me know if you found this video helpful. Go, try it out and see if it works. I know it'll work and it'll give you some awesome last minute styles. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.